Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all doing well and staying home safe. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates from my channel. Now we'll get started by the video. So in today's video, I'm going to share my Nykaa mini haul. So I've got some products from Nykaa. I've got a certain products from Nykaa. It's not that I've got 20 to 25 products. It's very small, like limited products only. I like it. It's in a budget only. Every product is in a budget. So don't worry. And these are the products I have researched whether it will be good or not. And before buying any product, please do research something and don't buy it randomly. हाँ इसने रखा तो मैंने भी ले लिया ऐसे. It is the Dermaco, the 10% niacinamide serum. So this is a concentration serum I'm using for my acne marks, pigmentation, like scars, all those stuffs. It has been said that it will remove your marks, pigmentation within this month or that. So I've been trying, I've been seeing reviews, then only I'm buying it. So yeah, I'll show you the inner packaging. So this is how it looks. It's in glass, and people don't say whenever they review their products, they don't say whether it's in glass or plastic and all. I like to share each and everything in the review. So but this is not the review video, but I wanted to show you because you have to know it, and I will be giving a full complete review with the proof of it. So stay tuned for that. So this retails for $5.99 you guys, and I didn't get any much discount in it. Like I've got it for 530 rupees from Nykaa. It was not that big sale going. I just bought it. हाँ lockdown आने वाला है, मुझे तो buy करना है. So yeah, that's what I thought and bought it. So yeah, I got a freebie with it, which is a great thing. So yeah guys, this is the freebie. This is a creamy face cleanser for sensitive skin type. So it cleanses, hydrates, fragrance, soap free day and night. You can use it day and night. And I don't think so this is a gift, because they have given the fuller size of product. Can you imagine, whenever you get a product free, then they give a mini sachet type or even the miniature products like that. So this is the product. I think this is a fuller product. I am in total love with it. See, this is how the packaging looks like, and this retails for 149 rupees, and this is pretty inexpensive, so that you can definitely go and buy it out. This product is the most happiest product of mine, so pretty love this, because not because of the product, because of the packaging. I love the packaging. Okay, the product is from M Caffeine. So this is how the product looks like. I am in total love because of this box. Can you see how sturdy, lovely packaging, very sturdy. This in cardboard, so but a good quality cardboard that you can store your jewelries, your brushes, whatever you want. So they have a very nice idea. They have locking system also. So I'll show you the product how it looks. So open Sim. Yeah, this is how the product. So this is how the product looks like. I am really happy with the product quality and the packaging. So it's very sturdy and you can store up things very easily. So what are the product inside? I'll just show you to you. The first product is this M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. So this one, and this is the M Caffeine Coffee Body Polishing Oil. So these are the two products. This comes in glass packaging and the lid is in plastic, and this is also glass packaging and the lid is plastic. So I like to tell you each and everything so that you get more informative about whenever you buy it. Scoop, it's a wooden scoop you guys, lovely wooden scoop. And most favorite of all is this roller. So it's pretty inexpensive because it's not that costliest. Like if you want to buy a roller also, you no need to buy a jade roll or gua sha or something. This works better. So this is how it looks. Amazing. I don't want to do it, so I'll just do in my hand because I have makeup on. So this relaxes amazingly. So I've given their card ranges, like they have their coffee ranges, the ingredients, the coffee scrub, the body scrub, everything they have given in detail in this cute little cards. So this retails for 1192. I got it for 700 rupees, which is a bigger great deal for me. Whenever you want to buy something in bulk or even one or two products, please go and buy in a sale. That will give you more discounts and more freebies. Okay, so I got a freebie. The first freebie is from the hand cream. So this is so nice, you guys. I can't tell you how much I didn't know this much good this hand cream will be. I have so many different types of hand cream, but this hand cream has melted my heart, you guys. So I really love it because the smell of it and the consistency, the creaminess, everything, I loved it. And the price range also is very affordable. Like this retails for 325 rupees and they have given a full size product, you guys. I am in really total love with it. So this is how the hand cream looks like. It's very simple, basic, a tube form of thing. So when I open, no, it smells like heaven. Oh my god, smells like heaven. It's like a perfume, you know. Perfume. If it was a body lotion, you guys, I would like to apply it all over my body. This is non-sticky, non-greasy, moisturizing, and super smelly. I really love it. It's like a gent's perfume. Like I really like this perfume. Like smell of it. Amazing. I keep on smelling this. So really amazing. This is a big yes. Whenever you buy it alone also, please do get this. I highly recommend this product for you. Next miniature I got is this one. These are the gifts I got from M Caffeine. So they have given in a cute potly like thing. So the first miniature is this body scrub. So it's very nice that you get so much of cute little miniature. Whenever you travel, the space will be very less and it's a miniature, you guys. So definitely yes, from me, I have not yet used the body scrub, but I'll definitely let you know how. So next is this M Caffeine Naked and Raw face scrub. So they have their face washes, face cleansers, scrubs, mask, and so many things. They have given a small miniature face scrub. So I have not yet tried this face scrub, but I'm using my concentration serum, so I'm waiting. After clearing everything, I will be using, and I'll definitely give a smaller review on it. Like, so next one is my favorite. So I have completely over. So this is their scalp scrub, coffee scalp scrub. Can you see? I've been completely over. So I'm been using this, loving this product because it has reduced um, my dandruff, I can say, the roughness. Can you see my hair is so soft? I have been used today. So soft, silky. Whenever you massage your scalp, you guys, this feels so relaxing, so cool, so chill. So you have a heat body, means definitely go with this product. And if you have a lot of dead skin cells on your head and you have a lot of dandruff, then this is the best product I can recommend to you guys. And I don't know about the bigger size bottle, how much it retails, but I think below 500 only it will be. Please once go and check it out in the website or in the Nykaa app. Definitely you will get it out. So if the video was helpful to you, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Please stay safe and stay home. Bye bye.